Once the deck is shuffled, the spectator names any number between 1 and 52. We count off to that number to see the spectator's selected card. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you an incredible card at any location. Let's do it. Now check this out. I'll freely allow the spectator to select any card they'd like. Let's just say they select this card right here. We'll take this card and we'll leave it somewhere in the center of the deck like this. And from here, I'll give the deck over to the spectator and allow them to shuffle the deck as much as they would like. If you want overhand shuffle, riffle shuffle, they can pretty much go crazy with doing whatever they want. And then, just give the deck one more cut. So from here, I'll have them tell me a number between 1 and 52. Let's just say they select the number 10 just to make things easier for this video. So we'll count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if we take a look at the 10th card, it's the card they selected, the 3 of spades. So of course, the link for the tutorial of this video will be down in the description below, and it may or may not be available yet. If it's not, go and check out this video right here because the tutorial for that is already out. And I'll see you there. Peace out.